Hi, today we're going to learn to make ammunition. Remember to wear safety glasses, because safety comes first. So you have your bullets in one case and your casings in another. And we already have the gunpowder in its little thing and the primer. So first thing you do is you take one casing and you slide it in right here and make sure it's down nice and tight. Now you push down the lever, make sure it goes down all the way, then come back up, and now there's a tiny little hole. See, this is one that hasn't had it, and now that's the one you just did. So now you're going to put it back in there, and you're going to press really hard forward. Okay. That one's good. Now we'll slide it back in and turn it to the next station. Since we're doing a step, usually I'd put another casing in here, but since this is just a demo, we are not going to do that. So now this is where we put the gunpowder in. So once again, you're going to pull down and bring it up. Now remember to check to make sure that the gunpowder is about halfway full of it, because you don't want it completely full or else bad things happen. Now you want to carefully switch it to the next station. This is where you put in your bullet. It doesn't have to be straight because this part will straighten it. See, it's straight now. Now this now one way you can tell that it's done is that a lot of people get confused that they don't have to do the last station because it seems to already be done. But this one, it's not smooth right here, so the next station smooths that out. And now if you were to feel it, it feels a lot smoother. And now if you if you turn it, it'll slide right into this bucket here. And there we go, one bullet. And now you will need these items. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your bullet, your ammunition, and put the bullet down first. Now you're going to feel the top of it. And this one is nice and smooth. So that means that it isn't oversized. But if you feel a bump, then you put it in a special bin. That means it's not good. Then you take it out and put it in your tiny tray. Now, what me and my dad do is we take a Sharpie and we put a little line, black line, right along the middle. That way, if this ever spills out or anything, we'll be able to remember now. And then we place it into a Peter Pan peanut butter jar. And now you just continue doing it again and again. So Oh, I guess I'll make a few more. Okay, bye.